Let's talk about the theebikemotor 3000 watts hub motor 72V35AH Panasonic Cell Li-on Battery powered electric bike conversion kit LCD. The kit includes 72V35AH Panasonic Cell Li-on Battery, 5A battery charger, motorized wheel, motor controller, brake bar, throttle, LCD display 6 or 7 speed gear. Top speed, about 70 km/h 45 mph goes with 26-inch wheel, big torque, 155 Nm, good ability to climb the hills. 72V35AH Li-on Battery, use top range Panasonic 3.7 volts 2900 mAh 10A3C High Discharge Rated Cells, 5A charger, range, 60 miles with pure battery power alone per full charge. 72 volts controller 24 MOS tubes in it, LCD display shows battery power level, time, speed, mileage, gear. The width of 21 motorcycle rim is 42 mm, fits 2.75 tire. 4.0 fat rim width, 80 mm, 3.0 rim width, 46 mm. Size of battery, 355140140 ohm. We can make your own size if you have special request.